Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you got to do. Ding! Hit that bell, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the good comments. Hope I've been getting back to the best of my knowledge with them. Today, I'll be making some crispy fried chicken today. My ingredients is these party wings right here. I'll be using some flour, egg, paprika, garlic powder, pepper, chicken broth powder, and some salt. And I'll be using some vegetable oil. Today I'll be doing it in the deep fry. So I'm going to soak this chicken for a few minutes and come back. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour these eggs all over here. And I'm gonna just mix it up with my hands. My hands is clean and everything. So that way it can set for a few minutes and it'll be all over this chicken like this. And just mix it up. And I'm gonna just let it sit for a minute. Just like this, mix it up nice and good. Just like that. So that way it can soak nice and good. Get all in there. Okay, I'm gonna be using a plastic bag like this. You can just use any kind of bag you want and everything. I'm just gonna put my flour in here right now. Just pour that flour in that bag and put it in like that. And then I'm gonna put my chicken powder in here. Put my garlic powder in there. Paprika in there. Put every bit of it in there. I'm gonna put my salt in, and I'm gonna put my black pepper in there. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna take this, seal it up, and I'm gonna just shake it up, just like this, so it can mix up all in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn my temperature on to 370, 375, and I'm gonna pour this cooking oil in there. I'm gonna just pour this in there. Actually, this right here makes the chicken so crispy and everything. You don't have to worry about the grease too much on your food because it takes all it off. I'm gonna just pour it in just like that. Pour that much and just let it get hot and everything. When it get hot, this green button will come on. Okay, my flour and all my seasoning is in the bag. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this chicken out like this. And I'm gonna just drop it in there like that. Just drop all this in the bag and shake it up real good. So while that grease is getting hot, this will be nice and ready. And as you see, it's nice and good. There's all the chicken in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just mix it up real good like that. You're gonna take it and mix it up just like this. Just mix that up so that flour will be all over it and everything. Just like that. As you see, it's looking nice and good. Okay, it's hot and everything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put some chicken in here just like this. Put some wings in there first. Put me about nice 6 pieces of these wings in here. Just like this. Put about 6 or 7 in it and let it just cook. Just like that. Get one more. And I'm gonna put it in there just like that. So when I shake it, it'll be nice and good. So I'm gonna shake it because you don't want all that flour on it, just like this. And as you see, it go in the plate. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna set this batch in there just like this. Like that. See how the grease is hot? You can tell it's nice and good and it's frying nice and good. Okay, we're gonna just shake it a little while for a minute and see how it's coming out. Get a little thing. See how good it's coming out. So I'm gonna let it cook for a few more minutes and let it get a little brown on it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this batch out. As you see, it's moving around, it's nice and good. So I'm gonna take it out and let it sit right there for a minute. As you see, it's looking nice and good. Sit it right here on the plate. See, no grease, this right here. The grease is off it, but I'm gonna shake it over anyway and sit it over here on this paper towel and everything. It's looking good. I'm gonna sit some more in there, let that cook. Just like that. Sit it in there. Sit about 6 pieces in there. Like I did at first. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit it in there and let that cook. Okay, what I'm gonna do, this right here is done, looking nice and good. So I'm just gonna take this out right here. As you see, you don't even have to shake it much because there's no grease on it and anything. All is in the bottom. So everything's looking nice and good. This right here would be nice to have. You know, they got ball games on right now. It's the time to do something nice, quick, and fast. And everyone will be happy. Okay, this is the end of it right here. This is the third batch of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it out. As you see, it's nice and good. Set it over here. Get the rest of it. See, it's came out nice and good and everything. That came out looking good. So I'm just gonna take all this out just like this. And sit it on here. As you see, my paper is not greasy, so it don't hold. It's no oil on the chicken. It's no oil on it, so I'm gonna sit this one right here. As you see, this is coming out real good and everything. You can look at the napkin, you don't see no oil on it and everything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it and see how it came out and everything. And this right here is good. I can taste the seasoning in it and everything. Oh yeah, it's good. Excuse me, but this chicken party wings are good. That's Cooking with the Belle. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. Enjoy this chicken.